Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well, no matter where you are in the world. I'm Fereshteh, a researcher and healthy lifestyle consultant. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, utensils and their impact on our health. We've categorized these utensils into three groups: those that bolster our health and might even aid in treating certain ailments, those that pose risks and could lead to various physical issues, including GI cancer, and then there are the neutral utensils, ones that neither actively contribute to our health nor pose significant risks. The debates around utensils can be quite conflicting. So, which utensils should we be using for our cooking endeavors? After conducting thorough scientific research, we've delved deep into the implications of commonly used kitchen utensils. Alongside, we've identified suitable alternatives to protect our health and address any existing health concerns. In many kitchens, you'll find non-stick and Teflon cookware, ceramic, stainless steel, and glass cookware, utensils that are almost ubiquitous. However, it's crucial to note the potential risks associated with some of these materials. Non-stick cookware, for instance, often contains Teflon coatings. When subjected to high temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Fahrenheit (260 degrees Celsius), these Teflon coatings can degrade, releasing toxic chemicals into the air. Research has shown that birds exposed to these fumes have either perished or experienced significantly shortened lifespans, succumbing within mere days of exposure. Additionally, these fumes can lead to illness in humans, a condition commonly known as polymer fume fever. It's important to understand that the effects of these toxins aren't immediate, rather, they accumulate over time, potentially leading to various health issues, such as anemia. For those who frequently experience cold sensations in their bodies, it's possible that toxins from Teflon-coated utensils could be contributing to this discomfort. Anemia, which hampers iron absorption, is just one of the detrimental effects of Teflon utensils. As time progresses, fragments detached from these utensils find their way into our digestive system, slowly accumulating within the body. The accumulation of toxins can damage DNA, leading to genetic mutations. Breast cancer and prostate cancer are among the health issues linked to the polymeric toxins in Teflon-coated cookware. Knowing these harmful effects should deter us from using non-stick and Teflon-coated utensils for cooking. But why are these hazardous utensils still readily available to the public? It raises some important questions. Now, let's consider the drawbacks of aluminum kitchen utensils. Many pots and containers are made of aluminum, which has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. Scientific literature on this topic can easily persuade individuals to avoid using aluminum utensils. Aluminum can alter the blood environment, making it acidic and cold, thus promoting the formation of cancerous tumors. Research indicates that aluminum from utensils can enter the brain, where it acts as a neurotoxicant, damaging brain cells. Since the brain is the body's control center, damage to its cells can affect all organs, underscoring the importance of making informed choices for our health. So, what are the alternatives? Copper emerges as the ideal material for cooking. Copper deficiency can result in unhealthy skin and poor blood circulation. Interestingly, copper is crucial for synthesizing elastin and collagen, suggesting its role in maintaining skin elasticity and resilience. Using copper utensils releases copper ions into the food, which can enhance blood production by improving iron absorption, leading to the formation of red blood cells. This suggests that addressing copper intake could be beneficial for those dealing with anemia. Are iron supplements the best solution, considering potential side effects beyond dental damage? Iron supplements, commonly available in the market, often come in molecular form. While these supplements can have short-term effects, the molecules must undergo an extensive breakdown process to be absorbed by our bodies. Additionally, the body may struggle to excrete excess iron, necessitating its absorption entirely. Using copper utensils ensures a continuous release of copper into the food, which can contribute to the prevention and treatment of various diseases. You might be worried, what if it releases lead? Yes, you're right, but utilizing copper utensils requires a specific technique, and we should be skilled at using them to maximize their health benefits. Copper utensils are often tin-coated, preventing lead from entering the food. Even if the color of our copper pot changes over time to black or reddish hues, it doesn't pose any issues, and we can continue using it for cooking. However, greenish patches can indicate the need for retinning. Fortunately, centers specializing in retinning exist to address this concern. Even if copper pots turn red or develop green patches, proper washing allows continued use for cooking, though storing food in them should be avoided. After cooking and eating, it's important to remove leftover food promptly to prevent oxidation and the introduction of lead into the food. Copper exhibits the oligodynamic effect, meaning ions of certain metals, like copper, can kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. In particular, copper has been found to effectively sterilize itself after a certain period of time. Using cups made of brass or copper can be likened to undergoing a vaccination. It's quite intriguing. There's little need to fret about infectious diseases. When someone with a mild cold drinks water from a brass or copper cup, it weakens the microbes present in the cup. As a result, when this water is consumed, the weakened microbes act as a form of vaccination, entering the body and bolstering the immune system against various diseases. This concept of a weakened microbe serving as a vaccine is not unfamiliar. Many hospitals in America, especially in infectious disease departments, utilize copper for door handles, handrails, and even water pipes due to its antimicrobial properties. This helps prevent the rapid spread of contamination and diseases. I've provided comprehensive information about the benefits of using copper utensils. However, some individuals, particularly women, may be concerned about these utensils losing their luster over time or due to exposure to heat. In such cases, restoring their shine and beauty is simple. Applying a bit of tomato paste to the utensil's surface, rubbing it in with cotton balls, can help them regain their aesthetic appeal. Let's explore how to make the most of brass utensils. Brass alloy is fantastic in its own right. It releases zinc into the food. For those grappling with hair loss due to a zinc deficiency, brass utensils could be a fitting choice. When boiling water in these utensils, zinc ions enrich the water, promoting skin health, radiance, and preventing hair loss. Zinc's reparative properties also aid in healing damaged tissues throughout the body. Filtered water can be further enhanced by storing it in brass pitchers for a few hours, enriching it with zinc and copper, since brass utensils also contain copper. We had a visitor with a zinc deficiency who found relief by using a brass pitcher, gradually improving their deficiency despite initially having severe iron deficiency. Stone utensils, a traditional choice in Iran, have made a comeback for good reason. Cooking watery dishes like soups, especially meat broth, in stone utensils evokes nostalgic memories for many. Stone utensils exhibit no chemical reactions, evenly distribute and retain heat, and remarkably, prevent water from evaporating during cooking. This results in exceptionally delicious and flavorful dishes, like lunch cooked early in the morning over a low flame. Despite being fragile and prone to breaking upon impact, stone utensils offer significant health benefits. Their iron content releases iron into the food, effectively aiding in alleviating anemia. As for stainless steel utensils, while generally good, their uneven heat distribution may lead to less flavorful and unevenly cooked food unless stirred regularly. Cooking acidic foods in stainless steel pots can trigger harmful chemical reactions, acidifying the body and blood over time. While using stainless steel utensils occasionally is fine, it might not be the ideal choice for all your cooking needs in the long run. Transforming our kitchens into pharmacies could prevent many health problems. However, this doesn't entail stocking up on more medications. Instead, it involves using utensils and items that promote our well-being. The meals we prepare in our kitchens aren't just nourishment, they possess medicinal properties, serving as both food and medicine for our health. You might have questions about granite and ceramic utensils, given their widespread availability. Ceramic utensils are generally neutral and good, but it's important to avoid scratching their coating. Exercise caution with granite utensils, as they may have a Teflon coating, potentially carrying similar harmful effects as non-stick Teflon containers. An excellent alternative is glass utensils, especially for those without access to copper, brass, or stone utensils. Borosilicate glassware like Pyrex is a safe choice for your kitchen, as it doesn't undergo chemical reactions. Our aim in sharing this video was to enrich your knowledge. When selecting utensils, opt for those that promote your health. Rest assured, our intention was not to instill unnecessary concern. Consuming meals with anxiety is undoubtedly more detrimental than using utensils that may pose health risks. Let's make mindful decisions with peace of mind and strive to adopt a healthy lifestyle. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so to stay updated. Activate the notification bell to receive instant updates when we post new content. Our approach focuses on addressing the root causes of diseases to prevent numerous health issues. Stay safe, healthy, and happy.